In this video, I will teach you how to create a super fast and cheap, or maybe even free for a year, WordPress site on Amazon EC2 in 10 minutes. Now, this video is part of a larger series which is about the cost and viability of using Amazon EC2 to host your production website and or migrate in your current site. And you can get that article at my site, wpacademy.com/AWS. I mean, it's a complex topic. However, what I'm about to show you, you can do in five or 10 minutes and it will cost you little or nothing. In fact, this is probably the fastest way to get started with WordPress if you just want to do a testing site or a staging site, because you don't have to puzzle through all the various hosting options. So go to Amazon Web Services, aws.amazon.com, and sign into your console here. If it's the first time, you're going to have to add a payment method. And once in the console, you're going to search for EC2, and your EC2 console is going to look like this. So go ahead and launch an instance. And choose the AWS Marketplace and these so-called Amazon machine images, and we're going to install the Bitnami, WordPress, and Jinx. And enter. Scroll down, this is it. We're going to select it. And there's reasons that I choose this one, which I get into the article. And it gives you what the various pricing options. We're going to do a T2 Micro here, which is free for the first year if this is a new account. So that's what we're going to select here. Choose the T2 Micro and review and launch. It's going to ask you for a couple of options. You don't have to do anything there because the default options work pretty good. So I'm going to create a new keeper. This is important. We're going to call it Mark Test. And then we're going to download to your computer, and make sure that you save this, because you're going to need it to access later via SSH. And then we're going to launch the instance. So it's going to take a minute. I'm going to pause the video while this is happening. Your instances are launching. And just click there to go to the instance, and there it is. So wait a couple minutes until the status shows that it's fully active. And I'm going to pause the video while this is happening. Okay, it's done. Now our instance is running. So the site is actually active right now, and it's available at the IP address. So you're going to scroll right, paste that IP address into a new window. And there's your WordPress site. Okay, so believe it or not, we're almost done here. What we need to do now is we need to log in to the dashboard of the site. And you do this by right-clicking on the instance and going into Instance Settings, Get System Log. And you're going to scroll to close to the bottom, and you're looking like for a bunch of hash marks where it says setting Bitnami application password. So you're going to copy that password. That one there, this starts at 4i, etc. And then from your site, append /wp-admin to the URL, and log in as user is the default username, and paste the password. Okay, so now we're in the dashboard. You're going to want to go under the users and change that user password. But for the rest, there's your site, and you can install plugins and themes. This will operate just as any other WordPress site, with the difference that you'll find it to be much faster. So that's my tutorial for today. And for more information, go to the article, wpacademy.com/WPA. Good luck.